Good evening, friends. My name is Ayush Narang and my project is reimbursement system. So in Sprint 2, we have changed the design of overall project and we also completed the project. We done the coding part as well. So today I'm going to show you the working of the login screen and reimbursement screen, which I did. So, so you can see this is the login screen. We need to enter the email ID and password. User can be admin and user can be a normal employee. So we can check with the both one. Let me try with the normal employee. So before doing this one, let us try like by giving the wrong input. Yeah, so if you are giving the wrong input, you can check it is asking to add the proper email, like add and all, everything needs to be in proper format. So now try with the proper email ID. So this is the proper format for the email address. So but right now I'm entering the wrong password. Let me check what it say. This is saying please enter correct email and password. So it means we have done with the validation thing as well. Now I'm gonna enter the right credentials. So you can see after giving the right input, you can see the welcome message with the name and whatever he has the option, like he can submit the reimbursement form, he can submit the travel form, and the third option he has the logout. This is the option for the normal employee. So we will submit the reimbursement form. Let's try. So firstly we need to enter the expense type. Select anyone, just enter the amount, select the date, choose any file, just account name, just put any detail like any number, BSP number, just click on save. You'll see data is saved successfully. Even I can show you at the backend as well. This is the reimbursement form table. You can see the entry here as well. So I'll show you one more thing, like whether validations are working fine or no in this screen as well. So let us try to click the save button without filling this form. You can see it is asking for the please enter amount. If I enter the amount, let us check. It is asking for the enter date. It means we have like put the validation on each field. Apart from this thing, we also done the session management thing. I'll show you. I'm going to copy this link and try to paste in another browser. Let's see what's happening on that one. I paste it here, the link. So you can see it is not coming from the same page. It is asking to enter the login ID and password as well. So it means we have properly done the session management thing. So as I said, this is the option for the normal employee. Let us see what is the option. What are the options for the admin one? Now I'm using the another email address for the admin one. Let's see what's happening on this one. You can see admin can see how many new reimbursement form has been filled. He can see how many new travel form has been submitted. So it has more. He has more options. You can see here like he has more option, like he can see the expense report, he can like approve the reimbursement form or reject the form basis on the receipt provided by the user. So he has different accessibility. That's all regarding the project. Thank you.